soo dhawaad walaalayaal kusoo dhawaada channelkayga African Culture. Hi and welcome to my channel African Culture. Today I want to make reaction this video is song called Don't Be Busy on Me. It's about poor people and how the rich people or people who has money treat poor people. soo dhawaada walaalayaal dee heestaan inoo soo waxaa inoo qaadaya Abdirisaaq Anshax reaction aan ka sameynayaa. waxay ku saabsan tahay sida dadku ay ula dhaqamaan dadka maaragtay aan faqriga waxba haysan. yacni waxay muhiimadu heestu tahay waxa weeyaan faqriga Ilaahay baa qofna taajir ka dhiga qofna faqri ka dhige wala siiye. waxa weeye qofna Ilaahay wax siiyo qofna Ilaahay baa maaragtay wax siine, laakiin waxay tahay sida aad ula dhaqamaysid muhiimadu waaye. waxaa la rabaa si anshax leh oo edeb leh oo wanaag leh inaad ula dhaqantid dadka. waxa waaye qofkan adigoo kala weey bini'aadam adigoo kala weey yaa wilis. He's saying when you are trying to get a long place, he mean building future, and it's long away. Yeah, you will face a lot of difficulties. You see, he's throwing him. Yeah, he's saying evil people behave you badly, so try, don't try, keep going. You're giving good advice. Yeah, you applying the job here, but you don't want to give anything. Don't give anything, but you have to, you have to behave good behavior. You have to show good behavior. Poor people. That's a good thing. Look at he throw all his papers. Yeah. Where I'm going, when I want to come, my goal is not near. Don't look back. Go on. You're giving good advice. My goal is not near, and don't look back on your situation now. Go on. Yeah, don't look back. Go on. And he's telling. There are some people that are saying bad things, poor people. So he's telling you, don't be busy on me. Go, you do your life. Then he's saying, you can get what you want yourself. Don't ask other person. Don't